This video will show you how to install the streaming Rearview mirror 9662. Take off the brackets and screws that come with the package. Put the bracket into the mirror in the appropriate position. Make sure all details are in correct place before install screws. Tighten them in turns. Remove the mirror by turning the original bracket. Adjusting brackets screw counterclockwise. Attach it to the original mirror position. Tighten the screws clockwise. So that it is a non-destructive installation way. Next, take out the power cable. Plug the power connector tightly. Take out the rear camera. Put it to the other end of the cable. Hide the cable in the glass gap. Remove the door strip. Hide the rear camera cable inside. Continue to hide the cable in the body frame. Insert the connector through the car boot. Remove the tailgate cover. Peel off the 3mm adhesive from the camera mount. Install it in the right position. Adjust the rear view camera to the right angle. Thread the camera connector through the car tailgate. Connect the plug. Remove the driver's side panel. Connect DVR's power cable to the car fuse box. Installing the shield. Organize the cables. Organize the excess wires at the tailgate. Tie off with a cable tie. Installing the tailgate guard. Complete installation.